Hey guys, how's it going? It is Dean from AussieMotoVlogs, and today I've got a video for all you brand new riders or want to be riders of this here death machine. And that is how to use the clutch, because clutches are super important unless you're a scooter rider. If that's the case, then this video is not for you. But for everyone else who actually rides a motorcycle, which uses a clutch, this is it, because the clutch is the most important part of the motorbike, and learning to master it is key. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so the clutch is always on the left-hand side of the bike. This is your clutch lever right here. So today's exercise, what we're going to be doing is activating the clutch lever, and we're going to let it out slowly to find the bite point, essentially. That's if you drive a manual car, then you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, it's basically the point on where the gear and the clutch meet, which then moves the bike. So we're going to do a little routine today on how to find the bite point for everyone who is just hopping on their first manual motorcycle. So what we're going to do in today's exercise is we're going to turn the bike on, pull the clutch lever in and hold it, and then I'm going to put the bike in first gear. And then what we're going to do is going to slowly release the clutch until the bike starts to pull forward, and you're going to hold it at that bite point. And you're basically going to rock on your heels back and forth. And that's how you figure out the bite point. Okay, now that we understand what's gonna happen, we're gonna turn the bike on, cue the dogs barking, and then we're gonna go through exactly what I just said on how to find your bite point. So, let's do it. What you're gonna wanna do actually before you start the bike, because the moment you slap it into first gear and your kickstand is not up, the bike will most likely die, because some bikes have a kill switch if the kickstand is down. So that's what we're gonna do to start with, is push up the kickstand. Now let's start the bike up. Alright guys, that's the end of that one. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Just a few final thoughts and tips, and that is, do not release the clutch very fast, otherwise the bike will lurch out from underneath you and you'll possibly fall over, and you don't want to drop your first bike or second-hand bike, any bike for that matter. Once you've mastered the clutch control, go check out the other video, which is somewhere around here, and that will show you what the next step is on how to take off. Anyways, until the next time, see you guys later.